Hello everyone! Today, we will create a scenario where you want that only the site admins can submit bids to the projects. This is in order for the admins to carefully select and interview suitable candidates to work for you, which later be assigned to the project. Now, we will teach you how to do that using our Freelancer Marketplace plugin. To create bids as an admin, we simply need to go to the backend menu Freelancer Marketplace and Projects. Locate the project you need to create a bid to, hover over it, and click on Create Bid. The admins will be redirected to the front end, Submit New Project form, and will have to create the bid from there. After creating a bid, the site admins will now do their job to interview candidates that could work on the project. Once done, just go to the backend menu Bids, locate the bids you have created for the project, and edit. In this screen, all we have to do is to reassign the bid to the chosen freelancer. Once reassigned, the freelancer now can check his bid, do changes as per further discussion with the customer. Just take note, to enable this use case, we need to disable freelancer registration settings by going to Settings, Permission, Bid Creation, and uncheck the settings as needed. And that's it. You now know how to enable a scenario where only site admins can create bids for the projects. If you want to learn more, just watch our other videos or visit our website at www.pluginsandsnippets.com. Thank you.